Hi, to recover deleted photos, videos, and so on Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is to find and open your gallery. From here, tap on menu icon and then tap trash. And after that, you will see this list of photos, videos, or maybe screenshots which you deleted. So please note that those items stays in trash bin for 30 days before being permanently deleted. So before restoring, make sure you have enough memory on your device. And to restore, tap Select, manually choose items you want to restore, or tap here to recover all of them, and then tap this arrow Restore All. And now those items restored, so they would reappear in your gallery. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.